Hello everyone. I'd like to share several stages with you. 1. All parts are trimmed and cleaned before use. 2. The parts are marked by laser engraving to prevent errors. 3. Special assembly process. There are several key points that people in this industry will find remarkable. Sesame uses full needle bearings without a retainer to achieve the maximum contact area and minimal gap tolerance. This design improves the rigidity of the structure and the output torque. This does increase the cost, but it is also one of the reasons why Sesame products are better than others. After the parts are assembled, we carry out a 100% eccentricity measurement to ensure the quality, so that our customers can get the best product. The lubrication of any transmission part is an important issue. Sesame ensures that the oil seals, bearings, gears, and other areas are fully lubricated. Stable performance and high precision quality are the key to all the industrial products. As mentioned earlier, parts and components are very important topic for Sesame. Our parts QC control can be divided into several areas: IQC, IPQC, FQC, OQC, reliability test, etc. Sesame will strictly control the above items. For example, during QC, we ask the supplier to provide different certificates of rouge, hardness, and accuracy, and we will repeat the verification ourselves. Regarding in-process quality control, Sesame has the most advanced and excellent production equipment to make the best product. The parts processed by Sesame have the following characteristics. First of all Sesame parts adopt one-piece process method, instead of using scattered parts to assemble, to ensure the high rigidity of the final product. Second, Sesame processing equipment uses original German clamping factor to ensure that the gear repeatability reaches JIS 0 to 1 level, and the yield value reaches 100%. In addition to Sesame's gear precision of JIS 0 to 1, the parts will also be fully protected during the transportation and storage in the entire factory. Of course, the final gear grinding of transmission part will increase the smoothness of the contact surface, reduce the running noise, and increase the smoothness of the product. So, how about the final quality control measures? How does the Sesame inspect all their finished products? 100% of all products in Sesame will go through 3 tests. They are running test, noise and smoothness test, backlash test. These tests are essential to ensure the high quality of Sesame. For noise and smoothness test, it is conducted through computer automated testing. Current, torque, load rate, forward and reverse noise. Low speed running test, reverse drive torque are checked and recorded. For backlash inspection, it is conducted by a special machine developed by Sesame. Automatically detect the backlash. All the above FQC records can be provided for customer review in the future. Sesame provides a comprehensive product history service. All FQC materials are purchased products before leaving the factory. can be downloaded by customers at any time. This ensures the clear communication and the transparency of production process, and guarantees the rights and interest of customers after receiving the product. Sesame insists on every professional inspection procedure, such as high and low temperature running test, salt spread test, dust-proof and waterproof test, loading torque test, and the radial force test. All these tests are performed to ensure the reliability of product.